Hi YouTube. Making a video today on a upgrade to my 29-gallon BioCube. I have several videos on all of the changes I've made to the filtration, and you could just scroll down and you'll see some videos about filtration. Today I got delivered several species of underwater plants. I'm going to try and go with an all-natural tank, no plastic ornaments, stuff like that. So these plants came from Aquarium Plants Discount, Monterey Park, California. A few things. I bought them on Amazon. They got delivered today. I don't know if I would buy them in December. I think I would probably wait till the cooler weather, not cold weather, like say in the spring, because the shipping container came. They're fine. I mean, you can see them; they're fine. But the guys in California realized that here in New York City it's 24 degrees, so they did pack these plants in a plastic bag with water, damp, not underwater, but they were all damp, and they added a heating pad, one of those disposable, looks like a pouch of granules that like you would use for like a hand warmer, and the plants didn't freeze, and you can see they're bright green, and looks like they're doing pretty good. The species of plants that I got are, I think there's six different varieties. They come together, with the lead weight attached to the bottom. So I separated them. I followed their directions in the box that they came in. They said to rinse them and remove any dead leaves and stuff like that, which I did, and I found only one tiny snail egg, which I was surprised that there was just one. But I removed it and cut off a few dead leaves, and wasn't too bad. So I did group them in two stems each. I picked up some lead weights, those plant wraps, also on Amazon, and stuck them in the gravel. But I also picked up a bag of flourish tabs. This is by Seachem. Their gravel bed supplement for the planted aquarium, and I put one every 4 to 6 inches in the gravel to help them root well and do good. So now, as far as lighting, the booklet that came with, the sheet of paper that came with it, recommended a minimum of 8 hours of light for these plants. I have my aquarium lighting on a timer for 12 hours a day, and I think that the lighting will be fine. The fish that are in here are goldfish, they're ranchus, and one iridescent shark. I've been watching them to see if they would just devour them. Like you can see in the back, they're just interested in this, that it's something new. I have not seen them try and devour them, and the reason I'm making this video now at this time of the day is they have not been fed yet, so they're hungry, and wanted to see if they would use these plants as food for them. But so far so good. These guys are getting along with the plants. Pretty happy. I'll take another view this way. Pretty happy with the selection that I picked. You get to pick your own selection, different groups of 6. I think the plants cost me like 20 bucks mail order, but like I said, and they even recommend it on the website themselves. If you're going to order plants, if it's going to be over 100 degrees or whatever, maybe order them another time. And I didn't realize that the temperature was going to drop the way it did here in New York. It's December and it's 24 degrees out. So, but the guys at that I got these from on Amazon, like I'll repeat where I got these from. Aquarium Plants discounts on Monterey Park, California. They sent them first class mail, and they got here in a few days, and I'm pretty happy. I left a good review on Amazon, and we'll see what happens. I read on many different sites. I'll just name one, Pond Guru, and there's another one. His website is just called Ruben. They all recommend good circulation for plants, and as you can see, I have a little circulating pump there, and I have bubbles back there, and I have the water return there. And if you notice, there is a nice movement. The plants are moving. They're not getting destroyed in a big too much pressure of water running across them, but they're swaying back and forth. They're getting a nice bath, if you will, of circulating water around them, and I think they'll be fine. This is a 29-gallon tank. It's a BioCube. The substrate is gravel. I can zoom in a little bit for you there. It's been in this tank for 4 years, so it's got plenty of nutrients in it. It does get vacuumed every month. But as you know, you can't remove all the biological nutrients from your substrate because you don't want to. You want that to be part of your plant feeding. So this is a wrap on freshwater planting. This is day 1, and every single plant you see here came from one $20 order on Amazon for freshwater plants. The company that shipped it to me today here in New York, Aquarium Plants Discounts, Monterey Park, California. I'd give them a thumbs up. Good job. All right, YouTube. Take care.